Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a toad from the Mario movie. It's going to be very simple and easy, and it's going to be very easy to follow along. I'm doing this on the iPad using the program Procreate. Procreate's like 10 bucks. If you don't have it on your iPad, go get it. I'm going to be using the Apple Pencil. Let's get started, okay? Very simple. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a curve. Let me make that one a little bit bigger. If you go on this side, you have this slider. Go all the way up. Not all the way up, but a bit up. To make it a little bit bigger, the line curve right here for kind of the bottom of that's gonna be the bottom of the mushroom, but the top of Toad's face. You gotta do like a U shape right here. Let's do it better. So if you want to undo, you press 2 fingers to the actual screen. Press 3 to redo it. All right, good stuff. Gonna go over into his face actually, and I'm gonna make like kind of a zero shape almost, but fill it in. Zero shape in here, and I'm gonna go just a little bit of a smile there. Oops. Let me redraw that just to make it cleaner. By the way, as far as the brushes I'm using the custom-made brush pack that I created. It is completely free to download. It's for sale. Go to the first link in the description. Go take a look at that if you want to get that. It's completely custom. I use it for all cartooning stuff. I'm going to go over here. Curve. Let's make him a little happier. Curve right there. Excellent. Let's go to his head, and he's going to have like a little bit of a... You can do it a couple of different ways, but I'm going to do it kind of the old-fashioned way. I'm going to go over here and draw a curve on the side. Go over here on this side. Curve on the side over here. And then I'm going to connect those dots over here. Boom. If you don't find it satisfactory, you can undo it like that. Oopsie daisy. And it's pretty good right there. And I'm going to repair the line. You can actually pinch the screen to turn it, and I can actually kind of repair the line that way. I tend to do this a lot because I'm right-handed. You can turn it any which way you like. Let's fill in the circles on the circle design on his mushroom head. We're going to go over here and curve. Oops. Curve right here to show the dot on this side. Curve over here for the dot on that side. And we're going to draw a circle here. If you want to draw a more even circle though, so this is how you do it. Draw the circle, don't let up. Hold it there. See? You're holding it. And it's going to make it more of a perfect circle there. And then if you really want it, like, it's more of an egg right now. But if you want to make it perfect, put 2 fingers on the screen. There we go. Or 1, I think. 1 finger on the screen there. And that will happen. But I think it's a little bit off center. There we go. Let's try that again. I want to make that bigger. There we go. 1 second. Let me try it one more time. See, that's kind of what we do here. Oops. Over here. Hold it. And let's kind of put the dot over here. Cool. Kind of right there. I think that will work. Remember, you don't want everything to be perfect. You just want it to be good enough, okay? Get the gist of it. You can also repair the lines later anytime you want if you don't get it the right stroke. That's the good part about this. And it's kind of the creative mistakes that you want to make as well. Let's go down to the body over here. And I'm going to draw kind of around this area, down right here for one side of his arm, down for the other side of his arm. Curve over here where the arm comes out there. Curve over here. Pulling out, down, right there for that's going to be his elbow. So this is his lower portion of his arm. So I'm going to go from the elbow down here, and he's going to have like curve right there. Where he's going to have his hand kind of tucked behind his back. Oopsie daisy, something like that. Or you can make it even more kind of flat and ball-like. Right on. May draw a little line here to show that he's kind of folding his arm. I'm going to go over here to the other arm, and I'm going to pull out over here. Well, let me see that. I'm gonna pull down over here. Whoopsie daisy. Pull, kind of connect it, expand this a little bit out. Pulling down. And then you have his hand over here on that side. Let's go over here and we're gonna find his vest. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way, if you like Mario, if you like if you're excited about the Mario movie, you want to see the Mario movie, definitely hit the subscribe, click the bell notification as well. I'm going to post videos every single day. I'm going to post a traditional video in the morning. I'm going to post a Procreate video in the evening, okay? Every single day. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it if you're here right now. Going to go right here now and pull down on this side of the vest. Over here on this side, down on this side of the vest. Line, whoopsie daisy, line right here, and line right here, the bottom of that vest, just a straight line. Gonna pull across over here, line over here for his arm, maybe a triangle. Let me see, something like, you know, I'm gonna erase this. We can do that. Go to the top right hand, erase that arm, and I'm just gonna save that there for now. I'll do it at the end, okay? Curve over here for his pants. Or his like diaper thing. I don't know what that is. And then his feet are also curved. So draw a curve at the bottom. Circle. Circle. Let's do that again. Circle. Let's go over here on the right side. Out, you just see the elbow, and then you see a little bit of the hand sticking out. Excellent. So let's color him. Go over here, the top right hand corner, click that color. There's going to be a color chart that's going to come up, and what you can do is go over here. We're going to select red first, and then if you go left and right, this has the saturation, meaning how red is this color going to be. Or if there's a very little color, it's going to go over here in the gray. Go up to the top right hand corner. I'm going to make it pretty red. Curve down here for the color red. And as soon as I have what I want, I go over here and I drag it. And drop. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. Very simple, right? Go over here again. We are going to go into the kind of more peach shape, peach color. So I'm going to go over here maybe in the orange, and I'm going to go up toward the top. Maybe even top. A little bit to the right. Drag over. I think that needs to be a little lighter. Go over here. There we go. Drag over here. Drag over here. And drag over here. And one more right here on the hands. So I forgot one thing. I'm going to go back to black very quickly. Go back to my brush. And I'm going to put a line right here on his vest because he has two different colors on his vest. So I'm going to go back to the color selection tool, go to yellow, top right hand corner, drag it over. If you want to see anybody in a Procreate drawing tutorial, let me know in the description and I will actually make it happen. So please let me know. Top right hand corner over here, select over here. Also, Toad's pretty cute. Go check out the cute drawing chart, the ebook. It is a completely free ebook on how to draw things that are cute in the proportion. You can cutify anything with that ebook. Basically, it gives you the proportions of cute, like big head, you know, small body, small mouth. There's very specific things. It's not just everything big and everything small. If you want to learn that, if you're interested in that, go get that ebook. The link, you're gonna have to find it somewhere in the description. Honestly, I don't remember where I put it in the description though. It is there. Go find it. Get that book if you really want it. It's completely 100% free, and it's all a visual guide, really. You don't have to read anything. It's just visuals, like boom. And once you know what's in that guide, you'll know it for the rest of your life. That's what's cool about it. Over here, for the dark blue, go back and select, and I'm going to look over here for kind of the orange, and I'm going to pull right for a kind of brown. And we're going to drop them on his feet. And that is it. That is Toad from the Mario movie. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You are amazing. Don't forget to pick up this, brush set. Forgive me, I'm kind of like tired. But I'll see you next time, and I'll talk to you very soon. Remember, do your thing and keep drawing. Talk to you later.